How to add a dreamy glow effect in CapCut. In just a few simple steps, let's get started. Open your CapCut application. Tap on New Project. Select your preferred video. Then tap on Add. Now you can see your video on the timeline. Now select Effect from the down menu. Here you have to tap onto Video Effect. Tap onto the search bar. Here you have to type Dreamy Glow Effect. You can choose from various options provided by CapCut. Tap and select which suits you better. After the selection of effect, tap on check mark. You can see the glow effect on your timeline. You can adjust it by increasing or decreasing the duration. You can see the glow effect applied on the video. And that's it. Your video now has a beautiful dreamy glow effect. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.